Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts. Today I'll be talking to you about when to change your wiper blades. It's typically recommended that you change both front and rear wiper blades every 6 months, or according to the manufacturer's recommendation for your vehicle. Otherwise, there are two basic things to consider when it comes to wiper blades. How are they working and what physical condition are they in? So, first things first, if you notice when you use your wipers that they're streaking, skipping, or smearing, they're not doing the job they're intended to do. They should act like squeegees that smoothly wipe the moisture from your windshield. If that isn't happening, they need to be replaced. It's easy to forget how helpful new wiper blades are when you've gotten used to some old ones. It's also not a bad idea to do a quick inspection of the blades themselves. If you notice that they're cracked, flaking, split, or excessively dry, it's time to replace them. Your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store carries several wiper blade options for your vehicle, as well as windshield treatments to make visibility even clearer. These are also available at O'ReillyAuto.com. In addition, anytime you pick up your wiper blades at a store, we'll gladly install them for free. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to see all the latest. We'll see you again soon.